Okay, this is day 2. Here's the first part of the warm-up. You can pause it. I'll scroll down for the remainder. Okay, when you're ready, go forward. Okay, number 1, just like yesterday, says what is the sum of the degree measures of the complement and the supplement to a 42-degree angle? So, some number plus 42 gives us 90. There's a complement. Some number plus 42 gives us 180. There's the equation for the supplement. The complement is a 48-degree angle. The supplement is a 138-degree angle. The total, or sum, of the complement and supplement will be 186. Number 2, similar to yesterday's equation, 2x minus 3 over 2 equals 12. The entire left side of this equation is divided by 2, so before we can solve it, we must resolve that divided by 2. So we're going to use the inverse and multiply each side by 2, which means 2x minus 3 equals 24, because 12 times 2 is 24. We'll add 3 to both sides, giving us 2x equals 27, and 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. Number 3, Landon, Wes, and Tim attempted 25 shots each. Landon made 20 of his shots. Wes made 0.6. Tim made 32%. Which statement is true? So we have Langdon with his 20 shots made. They give us that information. And we know that Wes made 0.6 of his shots. 0.6 of his 25 shots is 15 shots. And Tim, misspelled there, made 32% of his shots. 32% of 25 is 8. So now we have to answer which statement is true. So we can really pick from any direction and work them out. I'm going to start from D this time. So D says Wes made the most shots. Well, when I look at this, Wes made 15 shots. That is not the most. So D is incorrect. Answer choice C says Tim made more shots than Langdon. Well, Tim made 8, Langdon made 20. That is not true. Answer choice B says Langdon made more shots than Wes. Langdon made 20, Wes made 15. So number 3 has to be B. Number 4, Amy glued purple ribbon around the edge of her circular mirror. She used 63 inches of ribbon. What is the approximate diameter of the mirror? Well, I drew a circle because it said it was a circular mirror. And I listed radius and diameter, but it didn't tell us either one of those things. All it told us was the circumference. And again, let's think about what we do know. We know the circumference is 63. We also know that circumference equals pi times diameter. So 63 equals pi times diameter. So one-step equation, we can divide each side by pi, or 3.14, and find a diameter of around 20. Okay, today's lesson, we are going to continue to work with circles. However, today we're going to work with composite figures and shaded figures, which means more than one shape put together. So a quick review of formulas. Triangle's area is 1/2 times base times height. A rectangle's area is length times width. And a circle's area is pi times radius squared. This is a very simple review from previous years and the circle formula. So you are going to see 6 shapes in front of you. It is your job to pause the tape and find the area of these 6 shapes.